Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This is big breaking news that NMC is partially implemented in one of the state in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so we will discuss in detail and I'll show you the proof in written and which I have downloaded from official website of Madhya Pradesh State Counseling. Okay, so be with me until end in this video. And before that, I'll tell you few updates today. Rajasthan state and Madhya Pradesh state both are open state. Rajasthan is open and Madhya Pradesh is open, and they have started they have published their schedule, and the registration will be starting in 1 week of time. Okay, slowly other states will also publish their notification for registration, because there is date given between 25th to 4th of October. All the states need to complete their counseling process for round 1. So you have to get super active in the counseling now, because the date for the counselings is not going to get extended or postponed anything like last year anymore. Okay, and there are many changes which will come into picture, and you have to closely watch all the rules changes and different notification which will be impacting the cutoffs for this year. And those candidates who are still waiting for the counseling or seat matrix to get published, it's not like the seat matrix will publish and some magic will happen. You have to analyze the seat matrix and then you have to do the choice filling on that, but you have to be ready before that. Like I'll tell you what are the changes is going to bring out, like NMC partially getting implemented. I'll show you the proof, and those who are waiting for the paid counseling guidance, they can take quick decision in couple of days before the registration process starts, and they can continue their counseling process with smoothly. Okay, so this is one of the notification which I found on the Madhya Pradesh website. Okay, they have published their flow chart also, schedule and performa for NRI and all such things. So first question is in Hindi, but I'll translate for you. The question they have collated how many questions they have collated totally. Yeah, totally 34 questions. Okay, out of these 34 questions, first few questions are very important because it's talking about FAQs. And the first question says NMC memorandum dated on 3rd February 2021. Okay, is it getting implemented from 22-23 session? Okay, so answer is yes. In the state private colleges of Madhya Pradesh, 85% open seats, means 15% are NRI seats, and 85% open seats will have two parts. 42.5% seats will be getting admission based on the last year tuition fee, and remaining 42.5% seats will have is fee determined as per AFRC MPPURC. This is a committee or body, government body, based on this body has to decide the fee structure. It means the fee structure is not yet decided, and for the remaining 50% seats, first take out 100% and then reduce 15% NRI. 85% seats are left in private medical colleges, and then divide 85% into two parts. First 42.5 parts, 42.5% seats will have the previous year tuition fee, and now remaining 42.5% seats will have fee decided by this AFRC body. Okay, second question. In the state private medical college, NRI seat who are eligible for NRI seat, so you need to have like a qualifying 50% qualifying score, so you need to qualify as general category. Third question is all about NRI. Are NRI candidates, those who convert or register for NRI, they are eligible for the government seats. Okay, and the seats where the fee will decide by FRC, yes, and the NRI candidates will have the eligibility for government seats in private college. When I say government seat, and the seat where the fee will be decided by AFRC, they are eligible for other seats also. There is reservation in NRI quota. There is no reservation in NRI quota. Question number 5. Do NRI candidates need to register separately? No, they need to register along with the same registration. Okay. NRI candidates in MP, if any candidate is having domicile, okay, so do they get benefit? Yeah. In the first round of counseling, only domicile candidate will be able to do the choice filling. Okay. Then it will be open for candidates from other state. From round 2 only, other candidates from other state can participate for NRI choice filling. Okay. So there are and this is all about other rules and regulation. But what I wanted to point out, first question, is NRI memorandum dated 3rd February 2021 is getting applied for private medical colleges in 2022-23 session. Yes, is getting applied on 42.5% seats, and the fee will be decided by AFRC MPP URC body. Okay, so it makes it very clear here. NRI NMC 50% bill is getting implemented in Madhya Pradesh. Long back, if you remember, I had said one newspaper article, okay, and NEET Minter was the first channel to post that article, and then from then and there, it got viral, and it was saying that they also mentioned number of seats also, and it was same thing mentioned over there that except NRI, remaining 50%. Remaining seats will be divided in 2 parts. 50% will have the government quota tuition fee, and remaining 50% will have the fee structure as it is now. In Madhya Pradesh, the tuition fee structure is ranging between 10 lakhs to 14 lakhs. Okay, in private college management quota, and in NRI the tuition fee is around 3.5 times of management quota tuition fee. Okay. Now the remaining 50% seats apart from NRI will have a reduced tuition fee, but the tuition fee is not mentioned yet. Okay. So still 100% implementation is not done because the tuition fee has to be clarified before the choice filling starts. But soon we will get an update about it. So this is what I wanted to update. I will create a separate video where I will explain how the choice filling process and flow chart related to Madhya Pradesh state counseling, okay, and what is the upgradation rule, when you can do upgradation and all such things. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.